I've been getting a lot of questions about Noni. I did 2 shorts on Noni. Really didn't expect that they were gonna go viral, and they have on both TikTok and YouTube. Since I posted it, I've been getting a lot of questions about Noni. My grandmother used to make Noni juice a lot. She used to ferment Noni, and I remember this being a part of her self-care ritual. You know, we had a Noni tree in the front yard. My grandfather planted it. In fact, they were both users of Noni. My grandfather used it and my grandmother used it. And so there was a Noni tree in the front yard, and so they would pick them and put them in jars, in large jars, and let them ferment for a period. And I don't remember exactly what she took it for, but I know my grandmother had well, she does still have arthritis, and so I think that's something that she used Noni to treat, because it's very good for inflammation as well. It's a fruit that I've known since my childhood. They say that it is native to Haiti, so they actually call the Noni juice a Tahitian Noni fruit juice. I think that's what they call it over there, but here we call it Noni. It's also called Duppy soursop here because it kind of looks like soursop, but I guess that ugly soursop. So the fruit is definitely not cute. It looks green when it's young, then it ripes to like a yellow, and then when it starts to rot it looks brown, like any other fruit anyway. The juice that comes from it is very, 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 very good for you. Full of minerals, full of vitamins and minerals. It is good for your immune system, very good for boosting immunity. One of the reasons why I was talking about it was because it's good for women. It's good for womb wellness. It's good for cell regeneration, which is really something that women need. Because of our monthly cycle, we go under a lot of oxidative stress, and so we lose a lot of electrons, and so we need that cell support during that period. People who are struggling with cancer, it has anti-cancer properties, so it is just as good as soursop as well, but good for cell regeneration. I'm trying to get my father to drink more of it because he's losing his sight. It's also good for hypertension. My mother has high blood pressure as well, so recently I saw that she decided to pick some and add some to a jar, so I was very happy that she decided to take the initiative and do that for herself. I've tried to eat the fruit when it's just right before it starts to rot, and the taste is not, no, I spit it out. I didn't like the taste at all, but hey, if it's good for you, I will definitely take part in it. Also, it's good for calcium loss as well, so it's really good for women. It's a very good fruit for women to keep close to them. I've seen people make juice with it when it's ripe as well. I've never tried that. I'm going to try that one of these days, but I know the taste is very astringent and slightly pungent, sour a little bit. It's a very, very strong taste, and so I think it's better when it's fermented. The taste is better when it's fermented. Plus you're getting all of that probiotic benefits. You know, it's very good for gut health as well. Different parts of the plant can be used: the leaves, the root, the bark, and of course the fruit. In India they use the leaves. In Africa they use the bark, and they use it to treat malaria. In Polynesia, that's Hawaii, where it's originally from, they use it to treat hypertension. It also can be used to treat diabetes. So this is what I got from the 4 fruits that I showed you before. This is what I got from it. I've been sipping it today. The last time I used honey, this time I used agave. It tastes a lot different. This has been fermenting from October and it's now January, the end of January, so 4 months of fermenting, and it tastes different from the one that fermented for over a year. That one definitely did taste like wine. This one is not. It tastes a lot like fruit. I'm getting that taste that most people don't like in the Noni, but you still get the benefits. You really don't have to let it ferment for over a year. It doesn't take long to drain. It can drain in a month. After that, it's really just about your preference in the taste. I don't know if I'm gonna have all of this today, but I'm just gonna sip it for the rest of the evening and then maybe have the rest of it tomorrow. So maybe about half. I do half today and then half tomorrow, and then I think I'm gonna set some in a big glass jar and put that down for a year, for over a year, maybe 2 years, and let that sit. I know that's gonna be good. People have been asking me about the taste a lot. I don't know what more to say in how I described it. It's not the nicest taste, but it's not horrible. It's just something that you're not used to. You're not used to the smell. But if you add some agave or honey to it, it's easier to drink. You can even add lime. Like, you can add whatever you want to add to it to give it the taste that you want. If you want to add some lime to it, add some lime. It's a fruit. Make it how you want to. If you want to spice it up too, you can add some cayenne pepper, make it spicy. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. If you haven't liked the video yet, please stop right now and give it a like. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Leave a comment. If you have any questions, any more questions about Noni, you can leave it in the comment section. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and we'll link up in the next video. Alright, cheers.